Well, I'm sorry I'm late. I would have been here about a half hour earlier, but my trusty construction light right here burned out, and I didn't have an extra bulb. Remember last time I got extra bulbs and I told you, you always want to make sure you have extra? Well, I'm using a different car today, and I transferred all my tools except what do you suppose I did not transfer? Yes, a bulb. I thought, I'll be careful, I don't have any bulbs. And son of a gun, wouldn't you know it, when I was getting ready to use this, I grabbed it and my fingers missed and it went ka-doink. And I thought, oh shoot, I hope that didn't burn out the bulb. It wasn't even on yet. And sure enough, when I plugged it in, it did not work. So I had to run back to the store and get more bulbs. So remember I was telling you, you always want to make sure you have extra? Well, I had an extra one, but it wasn't with me. Bad Joe. Okay, on to the project. We got a couple different electrical things that we're going to be doing. I've got a switch right here, and that's for garbage disposal. And this one I'm doing away with. They're going to be installing the new granite countertop here, new sink, new faucet, and we've got a different type of button to operate a garbage disposal. A new garbage disposal is going into, and they're going to put a button right into the sink. It's going to be kind of cool. Push button, it's air activated, and that's going to go down and plug into an outlet underneath the sink, and that's what's going to control that. And there's going to be granite going up the side here, so I've got to do away with this. The guy's going to be here in a couple days, so that's one of the things I've got to do. Another thing, what else am I going to do here today? Well, see this here? This is the alarm system to the house, and there's a wire up here and it sneaks across and it's plugged in. Here's the little pack, the power pack that operates this, and it's over here. And my aunt decided she didn't want that. It looks kind of unsightly. And plus you've got a wire coming up here. They even stapled it to the formica, sneaked it behind here, ran it over, went through the telephone jack, went down to here. We're going to relocate that. And we need a plug for this. And where do you suppose that plug's going to go? Yes, it's going to go underneath this little desk area. There's no plug there now. Look where the telephone plugs in. Scoops over there and it plugs in over there. That doesn't look very nice, does it? She's spending a little bit of money redoing the kitchen area. If you haven't seen anything, this used to be all wallpaper here. I've removed all the wallpaper, patched it. I had a guy come in here and texture it. Somebody else came in here and painted it. And there was a different type of a T-bar ceiling, recessed light fixtures in here, or surface mounted fluorescent light fixtures in here. We did away with all that, put all these can lights up here, redid the switch over here, did some patching above the window and around the window over here and this front here. And so now she's gonna spend some more money putting granite countertops up here, granite backsplashes here, ceramic tile right here. It's gonna look nice when it gets done. Another guy's gonna put crown molding up here at the top of the cabinets, because there used to be that ceiling there. You want to see all that stuff? It's all on my channel. Then they're going to put crown molding all the way around the kitchenette area, living room, hallways, down the hallways, by the front door hallway, and all that. So the last thing she wants to see when somebody comes in here is her telephone plugged in over there, is her little remote alarm system for the house plugged in over there. That's why we need to get a plug down here. And it's like, how am I going to do that? Well, there's a plug underneath the sink, and I'm going to take it from there and sneak it behind the dishwasher, through the back of this cabinet, and out into a cut-in box. That's our project. And you know, if I have time, she even wants this telephone jack relocated. I talked to her about it, and we're gonna install that and fish it down underneath the counter there, the little desk area, drill a hole through the top here. You want an extensive troubleshooting on us deciding how we're gonna do this, and and what type of material we need. I've got a video, you know, about all that too, so look for that on my channel. Enough of that right now. Let's get on with the project.